What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing CatNap from Poppy Playtime Smiling Critters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the nose. We're going to start with a curve across the top from left to right, going up and then down. Now from the ends we want to curve the nose coming down and in towards the center point, and we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now from here we're going to work our way across the top of the mouth. Let's start in the center, just underneath the nose. Start with the left side coming down, across, and then up. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Let's add a bracket on the end. So on the left, we're going to step in, curve this out, and then down. Now I want to draw on the bottom of the mouth. So I'm going to step down, curve this all the way around towards the bottom, go across, and then tuck that up underneath on the right. Let's go all the way down towards the bottom and add the tongue. We'll start with a point, curve this up and then down toward the left, and then right side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. Let's start on the left and just work our way across, going in behind the tongue. Now we're going to go back up to the top towards the side of the nose and draw on the bottom of the eyes. Let's start on the left. Curve this down and then up. Let's go back to the inside and draw the top of the eye. We're going to draw an oval going up, around at the eye, and then come down towards the outside. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Going up, come around, and then in. Let's place the pupils along the inside. So we'll start on the left with a large oval, and we'll line that up on the right. And then again, we're going to switch back to our thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes. Now from here, we're going to move out to the side and draw some fur across the cheeks. From the bottom corner of the eye, let's step out. Start by curving this up, out, and then bending that back in. Let's add another point, coming down and then up. Let's line this up on the right. Going across, add that first curve, and then add one more. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and trace the mouth along the bottom. Coming down, go across, and then back up. Let's go on top of the cheeks and draw the top of the head. We're going to start on the left. Start by bending this up around the eye. Now I'm just going to add a little dip in the center. Go up above the right eye, go across, and then down. Now I want to add two large ears on either side. Let's start on the top left. Draw a straight angle line going up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to round up the tip of the ear, come all the way around the outside, and then in on top of the cheeks. Let's add the trim along the inside. We're going to trace the ear going up, around, and then back in. Now let's overlap the eyebrows on top of the ears. Starting from the left, we're going to go up, go across, and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start over on the left side. Start with a curve coming down and out. Round out the body. Go up on the right side. And then up. Now in the center of the body, we're going to draw a large circle with an open end on the right side. So let's start on the top right. Going all the way around. And then up. Now let's draw a smaller circle along the right side. From the top corners of the body, I'm going to draw two straight angle lines coming down and then in behind. Now we're going to place the arms along the side. Let's start from the top of the body, curve this down and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now you want to round out the finger and then bend that back in towards the hand. Let's round out the inside, come down towards the thumb, round out the thumb, and just pull that up underneath the body. Now I'm going to layer a second finger in between, starting down here, curve around, and then in towards the thumb. Let's separate the wrist with a curve on either side. Now before we draw on the legs, we want to layer the tail on top. So let's start from the thumb. Start by bending this out, come up in the middle, come down. I'm just going to bend this up and then in towards the outside of the right arm. Let's go back to the left side and trace this along the outside. All the way around. Go up on the right, and then in towards the body. Let's continue this tail coming out on the left side. So I'll start from the arm, bend this out, and hook that in. Let's round up the end of the tail, and just taper that back in towards the arm. Now let's draw the legs in behind. We're going to start in the center with a straight line to separate the legs. Let's go over towards the left side, bend the leg, coming down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Then we'll round up the foot and just pull that in behind the tail. Let's separate the toes with two curves on either side, going up and in. And we'll separate the ankles with another curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw CatNap from Poppy Playtime Smiling Critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.